What's up guys, welcome to Spyder Auto. Right now I'll show you how to switch out these old OEM tail lights with new Spyder tail lights, and it'll fit from 2007 to 2013. So let's get started and pop the tailgate open. Okay, now with your Phillips screwdriver, you can remove these two screws. And you can grab it by the bottom firmly and just pop it off. And you have these three sockets. Go ahead and unplug all of them. So we're going to unplug the bulb for the brake light and signal light. We're going to keep the reverse light, and we are going to unplug the bottom parking light. Okay guys, now we can get ready to install our Spyder tail light. This one comes with a clear lens, black housing, and a LED bar. So when you pop off your OEM tail light, it has these plastic inserts, and sometimes when you remove it, the tail light, it'll break off or it'll stay in there. So our light comes with replacement ones or extra ones in case you want to use them. And it also comes with the circle piece right here. It also comes with two zip ties in case you want to clean up the wiring. So this plastic cover here is for this bottom parking light, because we're not going to be using that one. So you could just attach it on and just turn it clockwise to lock it in place to keep it sealed from the weather. So since we're not going to be using these plastic inserts, I'm just going to pop them off. You could either pop them off like this, or you could just pry it off. Okay, so now we can attach the parking light, brake light, and signal light, and make sure the negative is with the negative and the positive is with the positive. Go ahead and attach it to the socket, and now we can lock it in place. Just turn it clockwise to seal it. Connect your reverse light. Turn it clockwise to seal it. The tail light in place. Install your two Phillips screws. Make sure it's lined up. And now you can screw it down. Okay, now we can do the same to the other side. So now that we're finished with our installation, let's test out the functions, make sure each function is working properly so that we can safely get back on the road.